welcome to today's trading recap, where I'm going to show you my biggest trading day ever, where I made over $10,000 trading Nasdaq with the same model as always, the 4-hour PO3 strategy. Let's get started with my bias. I took 2 trades today, one at the 2 a.m. candle and one at the 6 a.m. candle. And before the 2 a.m. candle opened, we had a 1-hour gap right here. We tapped it and reacted off of this. So my bias for this candle was bearish. For my TP, I marked out this 1-hour low right here. And then I looked for some PE raise. As you see, we made a beautiful 15-minute gap right before the open. And then I scaled down to the 1-minute chart and looked for my CASD. This was the last move up that tapped the fair value gap. So this was my CSD. And I entered short after closure underneath that up move right here. And my stop loss was 1 point above that high that sweep the fair value gap. As I told you, this was first my TP, but then I saw that maybe we want to exit, so I took my TP. I think it was right around here, the CE of the 15-minute gap, 15-minute wick. Sorry. So no, I think it was even a little bit higher right here, because I catch it with this candle. Like, it took me out right here and reacted off of this. My TP, which was my first one, also got hit, but like 2 hours later. So this was my trade for the first candle, around 3R, pretty nice. And yeah, let's get right into the second trade. Yeah, we were still bearish, had pretty big down candles, so I wanted to see another short. For my TP, I took this low right here, and then I looked for PD raise for the candle, for our candle opened. We also had this 15-minute gap, like on the 2 a.m. candle, which we made right before the open. And I scaled down to the 1-minute chart, waited till we tap it, which happened instantly with the first 1-minute candle. Pretty nice CSD was this one. And then I entered short after this candle. Stop, as always, 1 point above the high. And this was my TP, as I told you before. 126. Pretty nice trades today. As I told you, my biggest trading day ever. I hope you also catch this. And as you see, it's a very simple strategy. The same procedure as always. Look for PE raise, then 4-hour candle, which manipulates into these CSD, and then some good targets. And yeah, pretty nice day today. And I hope this week continues like this and we can get more of these trades like this. Wish you a good week, and bye guys.